everyone, welcome back to the SS Zone by Yash Tirmal #Abhyas. Today we'll continue with our chapter number 5, that is India, Science and Technology, Standard 10. So today's topic is astronomy, the science about celestial objects. In this particular topic, we will study regarding the various kind of celestial objects. Okay, so obviously chapter number 5, first line remain very common, that is ancient India made an extraordinary progress in the field of astronomy. I repeat, astronomy means the science of celestial objects. According to the literature belief, astronomy is the most ancient science which is described in your syllabus. Okay, and this is very important though. Like, which science is the most important and the most ancient? So astronomy is the most ancient. So from this word we can imagine that if it is the most ancient, then obviously the content which is written is also more about astronomy as compared to other sciences, because the astronomy is the much older than the other sciences. Hence, many work has written on astronomy, and in our ancient universities it was deeply studied as well. Okay, very simple. Then what kind of celestial objects or what kind of instructions are included in astronomy? So those are planets and their movements, like what are the planets and how they move. Okay, about that it is written. Then the constellations. Constellations is very important. You have seen the group of stars, okay, having a specific shape in the space, right? So the stars or the group of stars having a specific shape which are there in space are called as constellations. I can give you an example that is called Saptarshi. Okay, a group of 7 stars having a specific shape is called as Saptarishi. So that is one of the example of constellations. Then some other celestial objects like meteoroids, stars, sun, moon, etc. Okay, so with the help of astronomy and astrology, from the calculation of this, all the planetary movements and all these celestial objects are used, okay, for the development of astronomy and astrology. Okay, and based on astronomy and astrology, or based on these planetary movements, the calculation has been done, and from that calculation one can predict that which kind of thing will going to happen next. Okay, then as I told you, prediction can be made. Okay, prediction made on the basis of what? So on the basis of the planetary movement, like you have studied, I guess, or else you have might known or heard about these aspects of astronomy, like there are Mangal and Shukra is Bhari and Shani is Bhari. All are you have heard from the various kind of pundits, right? So that is the prediction is made on the basis of the planetary movements. Then in this field called astronomy, one of the great mathematicians, everyone knows him, that is Aryabhatta. He has contributed immensely. How he contributed? So he declared that Earth rotates on its own axis, right? The Earth revolves around the sun, that was correct, but Earth rotate on its own axis, okay, like this. So this rotation of the Earth on its own axis also given by Aryabhatta. Not only this, he had also given the reason. What kind of reason? So the reason behind the lunar eclipse. So he gave the reason behind the lunar eclipse is shadow of Earth. So how this can be possible? So here it is sun, here it is moon. Okay, so the sun rays won't direct go on moon. In between you will find Earth. Okay, so the sun rays fall on Earth and the shadow of Earth fall on Moon. So this will create the lunar eclipse. This procedure is given by Aryabhatta. So as he has immensely contributed in the field of astronomy, when we threw our first satellite into the space, we called it as Aryabhatta. Okay. And yes, you all are very well known to the Sir Isaac Newton, right? So Sir Isaac Newton has explored the gravitation force, but let me tell you one thing, that gravitation force, the theory of gravitation, that the center of the earth is attracting everything towards it, right? That particular theory, that particular statement is given by Brahmagupta in his book called Brahma Siddhant. He has given the law of gravitation. No doubt Sir Isaac Newton has explored it, but that discovered by our own Indian scientist Brahmagupta. Okay, so from this one can say that, one can state that ancient India has achieved a tremendous progress in the field of astronomy. Thank you.